We'll guide you through how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher not opening or not working. This can be really frustrating because you can't access your games, but don't worry, we've got multiple fixes you can try. Make sure to follow the full guide and don't skip anything. Let's get started. First, press the search bar at the bottom and type Task Manager. Open it. At the top, search for Rockstar. If you see any Rockstar processes running, select them and click End Task. Repeat this until everything is closed. Now close Task Manager. Next, right-click on the Rockstar Games Launcher shortcut. Click on Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Uncheck Run this program in compatibility mode. Then check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Now try opening the launcher again. If it still doesn't work, then press Windows plus R to open Run. Type %appdata%. Press Enter. Now go back one folder and open Local. Scroll down and find the Rockstar Games folder. Right-click it and click Delete. These are cache files, so it's safe to remove them. Now try launching Rockstar again. If the issue still continues, press the search bar and type Add or Remove Programs. Open it. Search for OneDrive. Click on the three dots and select Uninstall. Only do this if you don't use OneDrive. After uninstalling, try launching Rockstar again. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the Rockstar Games Launcher not opening issue. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.